Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix wireless capability is turned off. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. In here, if your Wi-Fi is disabled, then you just need to right click on it and select enable it guys. If this doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to right click on your Wi-Fi and select properties. Select configure and select power management tab and uncheck this option guys. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck it, select and OK. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If this also doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to right click on the Wi-Fi and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. In here you just need to select obtain DNS server address automatically. You just need to select this option and in here obtain an IP address automatically. You just need to select this option. After that select OK for save changes. Now close it off here and check if the problem solved or not. If this also doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to press in keyboard the Wi-Fi key guys. I will be display the image. This key will turn on your Wi-Fi and turn off your Wi-Fi. You just need to turn it on by pressing the key guys, and this should be fixed your problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.